everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you few jacket kurti designs. These jackets you can make from plain fabric as well as from printed fabric too, and you can pair them with the plain kurtis because with plain kurtis embroidered jacket looks really very nice. So continue watching till the end to know various kind of jacket kurti designs.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.